Welcome back everyone to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Admin1 of NEFX. We're still on the Suicide Map Pack 2, doing the level Down the Tubes. Let's see if from here on out we can get back into the groove of things and oops, these things on a daily basis. Actually, I think I already did this one before, did I? No, maybe not. Sorry, I was setting that up to basically be on a Vasora with no HUD, so that I could take some screenshots elsewhere. But let's set this back up actually. Sorry about that. Picking the right physics, right shapes, plug in. Alright, let's go for real. Jeez. See if I can get out in time. It seems like the moment I pick up a weapon, it's immediately over. Okay, so I might have a good camp here, but it's messed up because I teleported back here. So let's see if I can avoid. Looks like there's some spawns back there too, or at least the boss make it back there really fast. Yeah, some of them spawn back here, but I don't know if I can understand why I've yet to spawn back there myself. So this seems to be a pretty good way to maybe get some bots in the barrel, so to speak. Like, just keep firing back there. A lot of the strategies for these sorts of levels when it comes to bot match have to do with basically calculating what advantage you have at the very beginning of the match relative to the other times, since of course beginning of the match is when everyone spawns at once. So there's sort of a clean slate to it that there isn't anymore for the rest of the match. Probably stand to engage in a bit more combat on my way to the strategic point, instead of just waiting to run down there. I could always get some kills in on the run, although part of my hesitation has to do with the fact just that, you know, these are close quarters, so it's kind of hard to get in good shots on the run like that. Of course, as usual, they start with rockets where I have to run to get them in this not a very opportune spot. So it seems like this is a good place to duck behind, but it seems that on average, from the moment I run from that point, I pretty much always get killed by the time I reach the weapon, and there isn't really much of a way to maneuver amidst all the rockets and stuff. Seems like there's one of those weird issues that crops up with some of these older maps, and that, you know, there's multiple spawn points with the bots, but only one for me. Like I only ever spawn back there. I don't spawn on the other end where other bots seem to spawn constantly. So I guess one way would be to quickly run down to the rocket launcher, then turn back and get a lot of those that spawn up here. Basically do spawn kills. But that's it for today. Next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, we will go to Which One. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.